How to mix faces in FaceApp. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn if we can mix faces in FaceApp or not. So if you're also looking out to mix faces in FaceApp, in this video, we are going to find out if we can do that in the latest update of the FaceApp. So I can directly head over to the FaceApp application and go to a face, take a picture with a face, and look out for the mix feature in the bottom. So in the bottom, you can find different options including impressions, skins, smiles, sizes, beards, hair colors, gender, makeup, and different options available. But unfortunately, the latest update in basically 2025, the FaceApp has removed the mixing faces option in the FaceApp. So from the latest update, we can't have that feature available, so we can't mix faces in FaceApp, unfortunately. So for now, I hope this video was helpful to you. And thank you for watching this video.